You are now ready to take on this journey on Fiverr. Congratulations. And of course, before I give you my full blessing to apply and send out application. Don't forget to always check the terms of service of Fiverr. This has been updated since last December 2021 so that from time to time, check nyo lang yung TOS nila kung may nagbabago because these are still platforms and from time to time their work changes, baka mabigla tayo like may nagbago, 'di ba, or something like that. So always check that, always check the help and the service. They have amazing tutorials as well for Fiverr for both freelancers and sellers. So please go ahead and whenever you have the time, check them and research, okay? Aside from the training that you have been given here in Freelance to Freedom, so just skim through this one and these are the sellers, yung mga rules and regulations para hindi tayo maban. Ano yung mga kailangan natin? And another thing that siguro ang one of the things that I would like to note here is that for the sellers or you as a freelancer, it says here that each gig that you sell and successfully complete credits your account with a revenue of equals to 80%. Ibig sabihin, for everything that you do, 20% of that will go to Fiverr. And like parang 80-20 kayo ni Fiverr sa commission. And I think that's very valid naman na hatian, because the clients are coming from Fiverr. You did not find the clients yourselves, and you met halfway in the marketplace. And in order for the marketplace to run and serve both of you, the seller and the buyer, they have to have a cut kasi syempre may mga binabayaran din sila like employees, yung domain, and all that. So here are the gigs, 7 gigs for sellers without a level status, level 1, top rated, ilan yung mga gigs na available for you. Just go ahead and browse. Gigs are removed for violation and all that. Yung mga levels, if you are a top rated, what have you, ano yung mga inclusion, ganyan, okay? Custom offer, subscription, so just the drill. And if you are a buyer, the orders are here too. So browse nyo lang to. You don't need to how do you call this? Read word per word, but at least skim mo lang ng mabilis ano yung mga kailangan mo rito. And don't forget, they have a customer support. They have an amazing customer support where you can ask questions if you have any doubts or any questions relating to Fiverr and your job and your gig, what happened to the client, any dispute, any question, feel free to call and reach out to Fiverr as well. Okay, so congratulations, you made it. This is the last video for Fiverr. Probably I would add a little more tutorial in the future, but as far as this recording goes, you are good to go and welcome to Fiverr.